Hey guys, we received this blue crystal bracelet for test and try. So this is a blue apatite and aventurine natural stone beads. So let me just show you how this looks. So comes in a really nice gift box. So first impression is that it's a nice packing. So you can give it as a gift to someone. And this is all like the things which come with it, with a polishing cloth or the microfiber cloth, and then just look at the bracelet now. So this is a blue aventurine quartz and also have a blue apatite. So there are two types of gemstone in this one, stretchy band and very durable. So easily fit on the hand and looks nice as well. So these beads are around 10 mm and can be worn by both men and women. They are handmade and it's very durable, it's stretchy, so it's not easy to break, but it's a stretchy band and that's very easy to wear. So you can see as a 10 mm bead and total diameter is around 15 centimeter. You can also clean up with the supplied cloth, looks and really nice with shiny thing. Some extra things are given with it. That's like a different stretchy band in pink color. Um, in the bracelet thing and also like a small gem that you can place on it. So this also comes in different things and you can choose the color, and this is all like the stretchy band you can change. It's a nice bracelet.